Hi, my name is Candice and I live in sunny Queensland with my husband Sven and our two cats Zoom and Blue. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing as it really helps the channel out. Let's jump straight into it. Hot already, and very hard work in this heat. Gosh, all I've really done so far is rake. So I've raked all the ground, still tons of weeds to pull out, and I've raked behind me. I guess that's their sort of brooding box area or laying. I'll just quickly show you what it looks like now. I'm gonna have to come in with a bit of a hose and some major disinfectant because it is nasty in there. So it already looks 1,000 times better, but as you can see, I'm not really able to get in everywhere. I'm a bit nervous of standing on the structure in case I fall right through it. This is what the ground looks like just from a quick simple rake. As you can see, all the greenery are actually weeds. I'm gonna have to pull them all out. And then this is everything that has already come out of it. So that's all poop. Old straw, hay and poop. Disgusting. I mean, I know chickens poop, but previous owners just obviously did not even bother to clean it out. And then this must have been sort of the nesting, laying, brooding boxes. As you can see, it's been very neglected. There's even some old mud wasp houses. So with this, I've got my work cut out for me, so I best get going. Having a look at this color bond behind me. So at the moment, the way that this has been set up, it's not very accessible when one wants to look at their chickens or collect eggs in the morning. So we're thinking of removing it and just lowering it a little bit so that when I'm reaching over, I don't have such a long way to try and stretch. So when you look at the little ramp that the chickens have to walk up to, and myself would have to come around, it's quite awkward, it's quite narrow, and I'd be crawling along there really, just trying to get to some eggs. So it's not very accessible or user-friendly. So we're going to see if there's a way we can just rearrange the current structure as it is.
Sweep.
It does. Immediately better, like you can immediately access. I wonder if it's
spiders
necessary.
and wasp things in here.
Yeah, I wonder if that thing's necessary.
Which thing?
That stupid colourblind thing. Like something on the bottom, which is what I was going to do with it, but now how I'm going to bolt it in.
They're going to lose that space to run around,
Yeah.
and you might get things like snakes and that in there.
Yeah. for today, I think. I have scrubbed the entire chicken sort of nesting area, I guess. So it's all pretty stained, but not much I can do about that. But what a difference. No more poop, no more straw, just all those sort of nasty things. I am still a bit nervous to go under here and de-weed, so I might just do some spray. Now, we said we would lower the colour bond, but Sven's made a really good point. It's too much of a hidey hole for snakes and just any other things that could get in here to get to the chickens. So we're going to rethink that idea, and we're just not going to put it up for you just right now. I've also gone around and removed all the dodgy little mushrooms, and while doing that have noticed that there is massive holes, like I can stick my whole hand through, under our fence, and it goes all the way around. Now, apart from chickens escaping, there are foxes in the area, so it is really not good to leave it. So sadly, this chicken coop has got a lot of work still ahead of us, but yeah, this is installment 1 of major chicken coop cleanup. Stick around for the next installment to see how we go and what changes we have made. Catch you on the next one. Bye.